departing Neah Bay at 4 a.m. The camera shows it to actually be brighter than what it actually is. I think it's light compensating a good bit, but it's pretty darn dark. In fact, this camera actually works as a bit of a night vision. It's cool. Anyway, yeah, departed a little after 4:20. Came out of here. We got the visibility's kind of low, but we got our radar and everything up here. This is where we are, heading around the point. We're in the Strait of Juan de Fuca right now. All right, we'll see how it goes. We headed out so early because we wanted to time getting into Westport